Hi everyone, good morning. Hope you guys are having a good day. Looking at the back, as you can see, we're having a really beautiful day in Singapore. So just want to continue creating some training materials for you guys. For today's topic, I would like to talk about script. Um, Been there, done that. I've seen enough scripts. Um, as a telemarketer, it's one of the most important tool to be able to build your confidence, to be able to really have a guide. So I just want to cover that very specifically on today's training. So beginners, let's talk about script. Why do we need to use script? It's the most uncomfortable tool to use, to be really be honest with you. I remember when I was on the phone, the very first day, I was like not using the script. I could not put myself to use the script. I felt like I was robotic, I was fake, I was self-conscious. It didn't feel right, you know. And I remember my manager keep coming back to me and tapping on my shoulder, and she's like, "You have to use the script. You have to use the script." And I'm like, "Yeah, but it's just difficult." And I hear you. I'm sure beginners, this is the tool that you have to deal with just for a little while. And there's reasons why you need to stick around and use the script. And that's what I'm going to just quickly go through with you. So when you use a script, there's a structure. There's a sense of structure on your presentation. Um, the words are carefully crafted. You sound professional. You sound really believable. Yes, you might feel like you sound robotic, but at the same time, because you're the ones holding the script, it's you who feels that way. I believe that the person on the other line do not necessarily feel that way. So use it, especially the introduction part of the script, where you build the confidence of the client on the other line. So it's really the most useful tool you could use as you're starting your telemarketing journey. So script is very important. It creates a structure for you. There's the intro, there's the survey part, there's the building rapport part, there is the objection script, and all of that. We're going to go through that on the next videos. My goal is to really talk about a lot of beginners topic for the first week or two, because I feel like there's a lot of beginners out there who are as terrified as myself when I started being on the phone. And I hope this will be useful for you guys. This is really just very basic, but at the same time, if you can't learn the basic, it's just so easy to give up, and I've been there, done that myself. So why do you need to use the script? You sound professional. Obviously, the terms, the words, everything in the script is carefully crafted. And so when you use that, you use words that sounds more professional, I suppose, to when you're just using your own words. So it helps you also to get the hang of it, to use professional words on your presentation. And we already know that when we sound professional, the prospect takes us seriously, and they trust giving their business to us. So that's another reason why you have to use the script. And then thirdly, you're organized. One thing so great about using the script is you're organized. Your thoughts are organized, your benefits are organized, you know what's coming up next. You're prepared what's to come, and you know already what to say after Mr. Smith. I like to refer to Mr. Smith. After Mr. Smith finishes his sentence, you know already which part of the script you're at. So there's a sense of, you're organized, put it that way. And it's a great thing to be organized when you're telemarketing, because every second counts. They can hang up in the middle of the call, at the beginning of the call, or after half an hour on the call. Every second counts. So that's why if you're organized, you don't miss out anything so important on your presentation. And of course, you get to get the mission done, which is obviously at the end is you get that sale that you need. Now, two more things. Of course, when you use the script, you're more relaxed. You're relaxed. You don't have to, you're not going in out of your thoughts and say, oh my God, did I forget to say that? Or you hang up on the call and you're like, oh man, how come I didn't give the freebie and this benefit? And then he's off the phone now. So you missed the opportunity to capture the moment to get the sale, or just to get Mr. Smith stay engaged with you on the call. So script is important because you're relaxed, and when you relax, you sell more. It's just a chain reaction that way. And then finally, of course, strategy. When you use a script, you have a strategy. You're basically planned out every single thing on that call, from hello to filling up the sales form. So please be patient with using the script. There's a strategy why it's put together. After a while, you're gonna eventually learn to be your own script. What I mean by that is you eventually remember the structure of the script and the sequence of everything, and the flow. Flow is so important with script, with presentation. It's extremely important to have a good flow on your presentation. And of course, in the end, give it 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. As a newbie, as a beginner, you will already memorize the script, and eventually, of course, you can create your own script, still following the same format, just rewording things just like your style, just like every telemarketer have their own different style. And so I really recommend to just be patient, give the script a chance. It worked since late 90s when I was on the phone. And believe me, 20 years later, I was telemarketing, or I was in the telemarketing office redoing the script for one office, and then I'm having a lot of flashbacks, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this is the same script, just kind of modernized or kind of revamped, and it's still the same formula. So again, to all the newbie telemarketers out there, please give your script a chance, one step at a time, and it's always baby steps, but script is extremely your best friend more than anything else to get on your sales and to get on your each day. You're just getting better. You're getting more comfortable with what you do. And of course, your confidence level will just pick up day after day, call after call. So I hope that was really useful for you guys. And again, I'm dedicating my videos for the next coming days, focusing on beginners training. And of course, at the same time, everyone has to start as a beginner, and there will be second level, third level. We're going to just kind of try to go through a little bit more challenging telemarketing techniques. But at the same time, for now, like I said, if you have any suggestions, any topics that you're interested, that you wish for me to talk about and share my experience, please, comment on the comment section below, and it will be great to see what everyone is doing, which what are you selling, what are you promoting, and stuff like that. Because I really hope that this channel will create a community where everyone will come together, learn from each other. And just like how I am with a lot of channels, as a new channel myself, I subscribe to so many content creators where I also learn a lot from them. And it's such a great community because they would message me and say, hey, these are my advice, these are my tips. So it's a great place to learn, and it's a great place to share around our experiences. So that's all for me for today. Once again, I'll see you in the next training session. Have a good day, guys. Bye.